You know that moment when the colors on your screen look perfect, but the final print comes out completely different? That gap between what you see and what you get is one of the biggest frustrations for photographers, designers, and content creators. And today we're talking about a tool that's designed to close that gap almost entirely. This is the X-Rite i1Publish Pro 3. And if color accuracy actually matters to your work, this is one of those products that quietly changes everything. At first glance, it doesn't look flashy. There's no glossy design language or futuristic curves. Instead, what you get is a professional-grade color management system that focuses entirely on results. And honestly, that's exactly what you want from a tool like this. The i1Publish Pro 3 is built for people who care deeply about color consistency across monitors, printers, projectors, and even cameras. This isn't just calibration, it's full color control. Let's start with displays, because that's where most creative work begins. Whether you're editing photos, grading video, designing graphics, or preparing content for print, your monitor is your reference point. The i1Publish Pro 3 supports calibration for a wide range of displays, including LCD, LED, OLED, and wide gamut monitors. It measures brightness, contrast, white point, and color accuracy with extremely high precision. The result is a display profile that actually reflects real-world color, not an approximation. One of the biggest advantages here is consistency. If you're working across multiple monitors or collaborating with a team, this tool helps ensure that everyone is seeing the same colors. That alone can save hours of revisions and guesswork. And if you've ever sent work to a client only to hear that the colors look different on their end, you already know how valuable that is. Now let's talk about printers, because this is where the i1Publish Pro 3 really separates itself from simpler calibration tools. This system allows you to create custom ICC profiles for RGB, CMYK, and even CMYK plus additional colors. That means you can profile inkjet printers, digital presses, and proofing systems with serious accuracy. It measures printed color patches and builds profiles that ensure what you print matches what you see on screen. For photographers selling prints or designers producing professional marketing materials, this is huge. You get predictable output, reduced ink waste, and fewer test prints. Over time, that efficiency alone can justify the investment. And yes, the learning curve is real, but once you get into a workflow, it becomes second nature. Projector calibration is another underrated feature here. If you're presenting visuals in studio, classroom, or client environment, projectors can wildly shift colors depending on lighting and surface conditions. The i1Publish Pro 3 lets you calibrate projectors so presentations and visuals stay accurate and consistent. This is especially useful for photographers showcasing work, educators, or corporate presentations where color accuracy actually matters. The software experience is where X-Rite shows its professional focus. The i1 Profiler software offers both basic and advanced modes. Beginners can get accurate results quickly, while advanced users can dive deep into custom settings, measurement conditions, and profile fine-tuning. You're not locked into a one-size-fits-all workflow, which is refreshing. Another key point is long-term reliability. Color changes over time. Monitors age, printers drift, lighting conditions change. The i1Publish Pro 3 is designed to be part of a regular calibration routine, not a one-time fix. Recalibrating keeps your setup honest, and over months and years, that consistency really adds up. Build quality is solid and professional. The device feels durable, the sensors are precise, and everything is clearly designed for frequent use in a studio environment. This is a consumer gadget. It's a professional instrument. And while it's not cheap, it's priced exactly where you'd expect for a tool that directly impacts the quality of your work and your reputation. So who is this actually for? If you're a casual user editing photos once in a while, this might be overkill. But if you're a professional photographer, graphic designer, print shop, content creator, or studio that depends on accurate color, this is one of those tools that quietly becomes essential. It doesn't make your work better creatively, but it makes your creative decisions reliable. At the end of the day, the X-Rite i1Publish Pro 3 is about confidence. Confidence that the colors you're editing are real. Confidence that your prints will match your screen. Confidence that your clients are seeing what you intended. And in creative work, that confidence is worth a lot. If you want to check out the X-Rite i1Publish Pro 3 for yourself, you'll find the purchase link in the description. That link helps support the channel and gives you access to one of the most trusted color management systems available right now.